Today, we are diving into the concept of Waqf or religious endowment. Waqf play a crucial role in Islamic law, serving as a foundation for charitable purpose. First, let's explore its significance. Waqf is not just about giving, it's about creating a sustainable sources of support for communities in need. The long-lasting impact is what sets it apart from other forms of charity. Secondly, we will discuss the role of the Waqif, the donor. The Waqif is instrumental as they provide the asset that will benefit the community over time. The personal commitment showcases the spirit of giving in a profound way. Lastly, we must understand the beneficiaries of Waqf. These are individuals and communities that receive session support through dedicated Waqf resources. By focusing on their needs, we can see how Waqf truly embodies communal responsibilities. As we move forward, we will define Waqf in more details and explore its key elements. Let's dive into the Waqf definition. Waqf is a unique concept in Islamic law, serving as a religious endowment for charitable purpose. Essentially, it can be seen as gift and offering to meet support the community. This could include anything from land to funds, specifically allocated for public benefit. By understanding Waqf, we appreciate how it embodies generosity and community support, demonstrating a commitment to social welfare in Islamic culture. Next, we will explore the role of the Waqif or the donor who is critical in this process. Let's talk about the role of the Waqif or the donor of the Waqaf. The Waqif, the Waqif is essential in providing the asset to serve to the community. This is significant act of generosity aimed at benefiting those in need. The beneficiaries of the Waqf are often individuals who require support, and through these dedicated resources, they receive critical aid. Typical, typically, the property involved in Waqf can include land, building, or funds, all intended for public use. Understanding these key elements help us appreciate the profound impact that Waqf can have on our communities. Today, we will delve into how Waqf works. First, we start with the declaration. This is where the intent to create a Waqf is formally started. It's a crucial first step ensuring everyone to know the purpose of the endowment. Secondly, the dedication phase. Here, assets are dedicated specifically to serve charitable purpose. This could include land, building, or fund that will significantly benefit to the community. Last, we have management. Proper management ensure that the assets are utilized effectively for those in need. It's about accountability and making sure that the resources reach the right beneficiaries. These three components work together to ensure that Waqf serve intended purpose, promoting social welfare and community support. As we transition into the topic of Waqf, let's take some moment to reflect on some key of challenges that we face today. First, we need to address legal compliance, ensuring that Waqf operation adhere to law not only to protect assets but to build trust within the community. This is ongoing process and commitment from all involved. Next, we have sustainability. It's essential that Waqf entitled are not just set up but managed in a way that allow them to drive over time. This means creating strategy that ensure resources available for future generation. Finally, we must focus on transparency. Effective management hires on clear communication and accountability. When stakeholders can see how resources are being used, it fosters greater trust and engagement. To summary, by tackling this issue head on, we can significantly enhance the impact of Waqf in our communities. Let's keep this challenge in mind as we explore the benefit of Waqf. As we discuss the impact of Waqf on our community, let's take a moment to appreciate how it's truly enhanced our community. Waqf has significantly improved our community resources, providing vital support for those who in need. It acts as a true blessing, transforming life and uplifting spirits. Look at the words of transforming community positively. This encapsulates the ancient of the Wakaf aim to achieve. In addition, we have a cultural advocate highlighting that Wakaf is about empowering our future. It's not just about immediate benefits, it's about fostering economic stability and preserving our rich heritage for generations to come. So, as we continue, let's remember the profound importance of Wakaf in enriching our community and sustaining our culture.